Welcome to another video. Of course, we out here messing with an ML series. I'm going to be showing you how to change a hood. It's very simple. I got an ML I daily drive. I bought this ML for parts. You know, parts is hard to find for these little SUVs. They're great SUVs. This has got the little baby motor though. Mine's the V8. On a side note, my hood is peeling. I'm missing the emblem and the grill is shit. Most of these will be parted out on eBay. Most of this engine, by the way, if you're watching. But the hood, it's very easy to remove. You can remove it right here, which is going to be a pain. I ain't worried about that. We are going to remove it right here. And there shouldn't be no alignment at all. So when you're replacing the hood, you should be able to just do these 3 bolts, pull it out. So these look to be 10mm. I will double check in a minute. But to pop these off, you just take your little one way. Go here. And these hood shocks is bad, but I got new ones on mine, so this don't matter. You just pry out on this and then push with the other hand. Like so. There you go, it's free. It's that simple. Let me double check the size of these. Okay, we don't have tools out here. I got tools right here. Where's a 10 at? Here's a 10. Here we go. And they are 10mm, so you know how to loosen these, right? Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So go ahead and remove them. And have you some help. I got plenty of help. We got 2 people here. Plus me, which if you add, makes 3. This is the first time I ever took one of these hoods off. Note to self, you don't have to take the shock off. You know, well, go figure. That's easy. Just 3 bolts on each side. So you want to see the hood that I'm taking off? This thing custom grill. Well, it wasn't too custom. It looks awful. The emblem fell off. The hood is all faded. So it goes on the same way we just took it off. So I'm going to go put this on and I'll show you when it's done. But it should be simple. Just get you some help. Take your time. Shouldn't have to be no alignment. Should go easy. The hood does got a little adjustment. And how I did that was just line the bolt holes up as close to the original place as I could. With that being said, this should close perfect with no issues. I was wrong. I have to close it harder than that. That's how you break the grill. That's how you break everything else here. Oh, that's unpopped, ain't it? I'll pop it back in. Okay, so I gotta adjust this a little bit, fine tuning. So the hood went on good. It looks pretty good too. See it in the background? Do you see it? It looks good. Now the reason I'm in here was I forgot to shoot the end of the video, but you did have to do some modification, like not modification but adjustment. I did on my ML, but my ML was hit in the front end. It took a little bit of damage, so nothing lined up exactly the same, but it fits really good. Once I get another fender on it, that should line all the body lines up and stuff, because it's been hit and the fender's been in it too. So that throws the driver's side body line off, but the passenger side lines up perfect. And driver's side looks like if I put a good fender that ain't mashed in a little bit further, the body line will be perfect on here too. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Your mail's looking better each and every day.